Their Royal Highnesses, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, had high praises for Shortwood Teachers College for the work it is doing to shape the country's early childhood education system. The couple toured the institution on Wednesday and interacted with enthusiastic faculty and staff who warmly welcomed them to the institution. In her address to students and staff, the Duchess commended the institution's leaders for their contributions to the education sector in its over 100-year history. She's quoted saying, "It is so wonderful to hear your ideas and enthusiasm for teaching and the gift you have to influence the lives of young people," end quote. Noting the significance of the education in a child's formative years, the Duchess says, quote, "You, as teachers, are at the front line of this vital work and play a crucial role in shaping our societies by positively impacting the futures of literally thousands of young people over the course of your careers," end quote. The Royal Highnesses also paid a visit to the Spanish Town Hospital on Wednesday and was greeted by Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Mackenzie upon arrival. The couple also exchanged pleasantries with Executive Officer of the hospital, Jacqueline Ellis, and the hospital's Senior Medical Officer, Jacqueline Wright James. Spanish Town Hospital is the largest Type B hospital on the island and has statistics comparable to the Kingston Public Hospital, the island's major referral hospital, which is a Type A facility. The hospital is located in St. Catherine, the fastest growing parish on the island. Their Royal Highnesses' visit to Shortwood Teachers College and Spanish Town Hospital is part of a schedule of activities for their official visit to Jamaica from March 22 to March 24. The official visit forms part of celebrations marking the 70th anniversary of the coronation of Her Majesty, the Queen. The royals depart Jamaica today, making their way to the Bahamas.